Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management tool designed for managing sales, service, and marketing operations. Here's a quick guide to getting started. Set up and customize. After logging in, configure your account and customize the dashboard to highlight key metrics like leads, opportunities, and recent activities. Dynamics 365 offers customizable modules for sales, marketing, and customer service. Choose those that best match your needs. Add contacts, accounts, and leads. Use the contact section to add customer details and accounts for company information. Add potential clients to the lead section to track new prospects, which can be converted to opportunities as they progress through your sales pipeline. Manage sales pipeline. The sales module allows you to manage opportunities through various stages, from initial contact to deal closure. Each stage is visually represented, helping you prioritize and follow up with high potential leads. Automate workflows. Dynamics 365 offers automation features to streamline repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, assigning tasks, or creating reminders, making sales processes more efficient. Monitor and analyze with reports. Access insights on team performance, sales trends, and customer behavior through the reports and dashboard features. These provide visual analytics that support data-driven decision-making.